Course management. The Courses section lets you manage all educational content on the platform. You can create courses, edit existing ones, and organize the entire course catalog. Click Create New Course to start building. You'll enter the title, description, subject, and grade level. Don't forget a catchy thumbnail and the pricing. The course list shows all courses with their status and enrollment counts. You can edit, publish, unpublish, or even delete courses from right here. The Import Course feature is a game changer. It lets you bulk import courses from OLX packages. Just upload a tar.gz archive containing the course structure, lessons, and videos. Drag and drop your archive here, and the system will automatically parse the structure and extract everything for you. It's like magic, but with more data. Finally, manage your subject categories like mathematics, science, and English on the subjects page. Keep that catalog organized and easy to browse.